cocktail for your skin. Welcome to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm gonna share my experience with the Ordinary's Buffet Serum. I'll also talk about the precautions that you need to take and how you need to apply the serum in order to get the best benefit out of this, especially if you have sensitive skin, because there's a hack for sensitive skin people to use this serum. I'll also talk about the main ingredients and what are the best websites from where you can buy this serum and how you can avoid any custom charges. So if you are interested to know all about the Ordinary's Buffet Serum, make sure that you do watch the video till the very end, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification as well, so that you are notified whenever I upload any new video. So without any further delay, let's just jump right into the video. Ordinary's Buffet comes in a glass bottle and a dropper like this. This is a 30 ml bottle and it has a very simple label and the instructions mentioned at the back. It also has at the back mentioned the address of the manufacturer. Now the main ingredients, I'm sure by now many of you would have already known, are peptides, hyaluronic acids and matrixyl. Now guys, all the products of the brand Ordinary are vegan, not tested on animals, doesn't have any carrier oil, paraben free, doesn't have any animal oils at all, meaning that it's absolutely safe for you to apply it on your skin. However, if you think that your skin is extra sensitive, extra gentle, or you want to be on the safer side, do a patch test, apply it over here and wait for a couple of hours to see if you have any redness. If you do not have any redness, meaning that you are absolutely okay to go ahead and use this serum on your face. Now another reason that you should consider buying the Ordinary Buffet Serum is that if you are intrigued by the brand Ordinary and if you do not know, or if you get confused about various options available by the brand, then probably you can go ahead and start with the Buffet Serum only if you are 30 or 30 above in the age group. If you are below 30 years of age and if you are intrigued by the Ordinary brand, you can try with any facial oils they have, especially their rosehip oil is extraordinary. Talking about the price, guys, this one in INR retails for 1594, which means this is 21 USD. Now very quickly I'll share my experience. I've been using this for almost 6 months, and right after using this serum for the first week itself, I saw my skin becoming more firmer and the wrinkles around my eyes started to decrease to a great extent. I apply this serum in the morning and at the night time. This is one of the most subtle, harm-free, chemical-free serum that you can get in the market. If you fall into combination dry, normal or sensitive skin, you should not worry at all. You can directly go ahead and buy this. This is not an acid. This doesn't have any harmful chemical or any reaction when you apply it on your skin. It's a very subtle, very gentle kind of a serum, so you don't have to worry, or you don't have to think twice before buying this, because this is one of the best serums available in the whole world in the drugstore category. And I totally love the Ordinary as a brand. They are a no fuss, no gimmick kind of a brand, and I really hope that they launch the brand in India very soon. Now, as I told you earlier, one of the main ingredients of the serum is peptides. What peptides does is that it makes your skin firmer, it relaxes your facial muscles, it helps to increase the collagen production, because peptides is nothing but a form of accumulated protein. So when you apply peptides in any form onto your skin sends some signals to create more collagen, and more collagen means more plumpness, more suppleness, and more healthy looking skin. and this peptide is the main ingredient apart from the hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant, we all know by now. Together all these ingredients form a beautiful buffet, beautiful cocktail for your face, and when you apply it you can instantly feel that your skin is becoming much more better and better. This is perfect for your layering purposes, but one of the precautions that you have to take is that you need to apply sunscreen so that whatever good the serum has done for you, for your skin, remains intact. Other than that, you do not need any precautions except for sensitive skin people. If you think that you have extra gentle or extra sensitive skin, what you can do, you can apply it in the morning and at night time using 1:1 ratio, meaning 1 drop of buffet serum and 1 drop of aloe vera gel. If you don't have aloe vera gel, you can probably go ahead and mix it with your rose water or plain water if you do not have any of the rose water or aloe vera gel available in your house. Quickly talking about how you can apply it to get the best benefit out of this serum is that first you clean your face with any gentle face cleanser. Post that you use your toner. It can be an exfoliating toner, it can be a non-exfoliating toner, or it can be rose water or any face mist of your choice. Post that you go ahead and apply any essence of your choice if your skincare has essence in it. If you don't have essence directly, you can go ahead and apply this serum in the night time and in the morning time. Take 1 or 2 drops of the buffet serum on your hands and just gently dab all over your face. You don't need to rub it too hard. It absorbs into your skin within 5 to 10 seconds. It's not gonna absorb into your skin very quickly like any other serum. The consistency of this serum is little sticky, little tacky, which takes a couple of seconds to absorb into your skin properly, but it will not irritate your skin in any ways. After a couple of seconds, say for 5 to 10 seconds, it absorbs wonderfully. Post the application of the serum, you can go ahead and apply up to 2 or 3 more serums of your choice depending upon your skin concern, and then you can apply your night cream or your day cream and followed by a sunscreen if it's a daytime, and if it's a night time you can also go ahead and apply any facial oil of your choice. This is a wonderful product. You don't need to think twice before buying this serum. The only challenge that you would face is from where to buy this. I've seen the same serum getting sold on Amazon.com for a very high price, plus you cannot trust the authenticity of the Ordinary's buffet serum if you buy it from any other websites other than my preferred website called cultbeauty.com. You can go ahead and buy this from ultrabeauty.com, or there are a couple of more international websites as well, but only on cultbeauty.com is where you will get the best, cheapest rate for the Ordinary's buffet serum. Talking about the shipping, guys, if you live in Asia, it's gonna take up to 1.5 months for you to receive the serum, because most of these international cosmetic companies send their parcels via ship via sea, so that it's cost effective. However, you also get the option to pay extra and get it via air. And this way you will receive your product faster. Guys, I bought my buffet serum from the Cult Beauty website itself because I totally trust the website. You have to make the payment beforehand, and I paid in Indian rupees 990 rupees, and it took almost 1.5 months for it to arrive. Since the amount I paid was less than 1000 rupees, I did not pay any custom duty at all, and it's a hack for you. Whenever you order any product from any international websites, make sure the order value is less than 1000 rupees, Indian rupees, and it will not call for any custom duties at all. The only challenge will be for you is to just wait for the delivery. Give the delivery time 1 or 1.5 months. Now with this, I'm done reviewing the Ordinary's Buffet Serum for you all. If you have any questions, do write to me in the comment section below. I will definitely answer all your queries. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, because I'm in the process of reviewing another cult favorite product serum of mine, which is great for your wrinkles around the eyes, your crow's feet, etc. And in another word, it's called the Botox serum. If you're interested, do turn on the bell notification, do subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.